Welcome to the final stage of the Speak Real English method, where we now embark on Step 7, which is all about reflection, repetition, and continuous advancement. At this stage, it is crucial to revisit all the words, phrases, and expressions you have encountered along your journey. Immerse yourself once again in the lessons you have absorbed, reviewing the knowledge you have gathered and strengthening your understanding. It is important to re-engage with the previous 6 steps, allowing them to deepen their roots in your mind, and to make these practices a regular part of your learning experience. As you move forward, your focus should be on expanding your ability to communicate effectively and naturally in English. Seek out new expressions that enrich your speech. Explore different vocabulary options and discover alternate ways to convey your thoughts. Search for words that carry similar meanings, and familiarize yourself with contrasting terms, enhancing the depth and flexibility of your language use. The fascinating aspect of mastering a language is that it is an endless journey of discovery and growth. Language is alive, constantly shifting and expanding, and as a learner, you have the wonderful opportunity to evolve alongside it. Embrace the process of constant learning, knowing that every day offers new chances to become a stronger, more confident communicator. This ongoing development is not only fulfilling but incredibly inspiring, and it brings a sense of excitement to the learning process that can last a lifetime. I truly hope that you find joy in continually enhancing your English abilities, and that you see it as a lifelong adventure rather than a final destination. It is a genuine privilege to walk this path of growth, and my mission is to equip you with the knowledge, encouragement, and strategies to become a self-reliant, passionate learner who uses English as a powerful tool in everyday life. Imagine English becoming an essential part of your success, your happiness, your relationships, and your personal and professional achievements. It can become your bridge to a richer, more meaningful existence, filled with wonderful conversations, new opportunities, and lasting connections. Thank you for being an important part of the Speak Real English community. It fills me with gratitude to have had the chance to share these essential steps to fluency with you. I warmly invite you to continue your journey, to keep practicing, and to stay connected with the vibrant learning family that we have built together. Remember, every moment you dedicate to learning brings you closer to your goals, and every effort you make adds to the confident speaker you are becoming. I am genuinely excited for all the incredible progress that lies ahead for you. Keep practicing, stay curious, and keep believing in yourself. Your journey in mastering English is just the beginning of a remarkable and rewarding experience. Thank you once again for being here, for your dedication, and for allowing me to guide you along this path. I look forward to seeing you continue to grow, to shine, and to achieve all the dreams you hold in your heart. Until we meet again, stay motivated, stay inspired, and keep moving forward with enthusiasm and passion.